Welcome to this video by Yalla Learn Arabic. Today we'll talk about the weather, الطقس or الجو. You can use either. Don't confuse it with the climate, المناخ. The weather can be sunny, مشمس. Sunny is مشمس. The sun is الشمس. It's sunny in the summer. الصيف. الصيف is summer. And it's hot. Hot weather. جو حار. Cold weather. جو بارد. جو بارد. So بارد is the opposite of حار. Spring is الربيع. الربيع. Rainy is ممطر. ممطر. And rain is مطر. مطر. The rain. المطر. The rain. المطر. And remember, rainy is ممطر when you describe the weather. Rainfall. هطول المطر or سقوط المطر. That's the verb you use to describe the descent or the fall of rain. Rainfall. سقوط المطر. And this also happens in winter. الشتاء. Remember, winter. الشتاء. In the Egyptian dialect you can say شتاء means مطر as well. Lightning is برق. برق. The lightning is البرق. Thunder is رعد or الرعد if you want to say the thunder. The weather is snowing. You're gonna say الجو مثلج. هطول الثلج means the snow is falling. Snowflakes. رقاقات الثلج. رقاقات الثلج. A storm is عاصفة. عاصفة. Storm. The storm is العاصفة. And do you know how to say a flood in Arabic? فيضان. Flood. فيضان. And a hurricane is إعصار. إعصار means hurricane. The verb you use with إعصار is ضرب. And ضرب means hit. Remember, a hurricane doesn't descend or fall, it hits. If you say the hurricane hit the city, ضرب الإعصار المدينة. ضرب hit الإعصار the hurricane المدينة the city. And in the end, autumn is الخريف. الخريف. So let's summarize. Hot, حار, cold, بارد, sunny, مشمس, rainy, ممطر. And here's a new one, cloudy, غائم, غائم. Summer, الصيف, winter, الشتاء, autumn, الخريف, and spring, الربيع. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this. مع السلامة.